Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Malevich puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of Malevich puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the frame. But the puzzle comes already solved, so we have to remove the parts first, then mix them, and I'm pretty sure if you didn't try to learn the solution, it will be still quite a challenge to fit all parts inside the frame. There are 11 parts here. Some of them are very similar. There are two identical parts like this and this one. And when you try to solve the puzzle, it will be quite a challenge to figure out the correct solution, since you have to find a spot for each and every piece, and only then the puzzle will be solved. And this puzzle has only one solution. As you can see, I can fit 3 more parts inside the frame. So it will be quite an interesting and challenging puzzle. The Malevich puzzle was inspired by Kazimir Malevich, a famous artist. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.